We learned earlier this week that the September Apple event, during which the firm is anticipated to introduce the iPhone 15 series, would take place on September 13th. In any case, that is what many of the placards claimed, and it now appears that they may have been utterly mistaken. The event may actually take place on September 12th instead. Mark Gurman tweeted that, "Signs are increasingly pointing to September 12th as the source of this information." He adds, though, that things can still theoretically change, indicating that this isn't a 100% guarantee. In fact, we won't have any firm confirmation until Apple issues the event's invitations, which might not be for a few more weeks. Although there are more and more indications that September 12th will mark the launch of the iPhone 15, anything is still technically possible. Gurman asserted earlier this week in his Power on email that the occurrence is most likely to take place on September 12th or 13th. While this was going on, carrier insiders told 9 to 5 Mac that the date would be September 13th, requesting that staff not take time off in preparation of a major smartphone event. In any scenario, it's likely that Apple will continue to release products according to its customary schedule of pre-orders and dates. Pre-orders will probably start on September 15th, a Friday, and the release date is scheduled for September 22nd. Gurman, who thinks Apple will release the iPhone 15 only in time to record initial sales as part of its fourth fiscal quarter, is one source that has confirmed the release date as September 22nd. The September Apple event is expected to focus on the iPhone 15 series, with the introduction of the iPhone 15, iPhone 15 Plus, iPhone 15 Pro, and iPhone 15 Pro Max. But according to rumors, the Apple Watch Series 9, Apple Watch Ultra 2, and iPad mini May 7th all be unveiled alongside the new phones. The event should occur at the same time as the introduction of watchOS 10, iPadOS 17, tvOS 17, and iOS 17, all of which recently witnessed the release of their respective fifth developer betas. Without a doubt, Apple will have a very busy month in September. However, it is essentially always the case. What news from the event are you most anticipating hearing? So without being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.